What's this growing in my front yard by the road? Should I dig it up and remove it? I have a lot of wildflowers, which I enjoy in my yard, so wasn't sure. Thank you, and this is Deborah from Shoddy Daisy, Tennessee. I like that name.
Yeah, nice
Shoddy
name.
Daisy, Tennessee. So, ID. He's talking about plant ID. What do we think that is?
Well, it looks like an aster of some kind.
That's what I think that is.
And I don't know which kind. She might want to leave it and see if it is one of her wildflower asters, or she can move it, or, I mean, I don't know if it's in a place where she's planted other, wildflowers or not. So it's hard to tell, but there is a buckthorn planting
right next to it,
So
which I think I noticed first.
Yeah.
It's right next to it.
I don't think she thinks that. I don't think that's one of her wildflowers, but the aster might be. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's not large enough yet to tell.
Yeah, I would recommend just let it stay there and let it flower, and so we can see.
Yeah.
And maybe that would give us a more positive idea what that aster may be, because I do think it's an aster.
Yeah.
I just don't know which kind it is.
Right.
All right. And then for that buckhorn, well, weeds are wildflowers.
Yeah, true.
So, all right. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.